This is Drumstick here, and today, what do I have? We got the Oculus Quest 2. The Oculus Quest 2. I'm going to do an unboxing and an explanation of how we're going to create the FrankenQuest. Now you're like, what is the FrankenQuest? Let me share my screen with you for your viewing pleasure. This is the FrankenQuest. And I'm going to do the ultimate buy guide with y'all today. All right, so step one, you got to get the Oculus Quest 2. Available at many locations. There's Amazon, Best Buy, GameStop, Target, Walmart. I was able to put in my order and pick it up same day. All right, step two, you need to get this thing, the HTC Vive Deluxe audio strap. So what I would recommend is, because it's available at also via like Amazon, Best Buy, Lenovo, and Office Depot. Find out, do you have credit card extra bonus points? I know I use Chase Rewards and shopped from there to go to the Lenovo site just to get a few more points. If you're a Best Buy card holder, I believe they give some benefits. So check that out, use that strategy, because I've rarely seen it on sale. It does retail for $99 US currency. So you'll want that. This is the thing that you will want to put in an order for ASAP, because it is going to be via Etsy and courtesy of my friend, Silver Piscean. He let me know that this is the one to get. It is the best printed, because sometimes there's some folks on Etsy, they're going to be printing using a lesser plastic. So what does that mean? It's going to break a lot more easily. It's going to snap. We don't want that. This is holding your Oculus Quest. You want to put in that investment. So it is a little bit pricey for pieces of plastic. However, you got to think that it's been well designed. And there are a variety of color choices. So step one on how you want to customize your Oculus Quest 2. So you'll want to purchase that via Etsy. That does take a few more days to ship out. All right, so then another modification to make is the Oculus Quest is known for being a little bit front heavy. So what does that mean is, like, a lot of that weight is going to sit on your nose and the front of your face. I'm going to use the extra battery mod to help counterbalance that weight. So something else is going to sit on the back. So, and that way the weight is even more evenly distributed and allowing you for a more comfortable simulation that you can purchase also via Etsy. There are several options, because it's going to go from the back of the battery pack. And I would suggest getting a L-shaped or 90-degree angle USB-C. Okay, let's open this baby up. Beautiful packaging. I opted for the 64 gigabytes right here, if you can see that. And as it says inside the box, we have the VR headset, 2 touch controllers. It comes with 2 AA batteries, power adapter, glasses spacer, and charging cable. It is a Facebook owned company now. So, disclaimer, of course, there might be some data sharing used. So if you're really worried about privacy, Oculus Quest 2 may not be the one for you. Check this out. 2 controllers. All right. The piece de resistance. We got our Oculus. Oof, it is in there tight. Okay, this out. Boom. All right, let's see what's in there. Thick instruction manual. All right, reference guide. USB-C and the charging cord. Alrighty. Okay, I feel like I'm already going to get it dirty, man. The color white. I'm going to remove this. That's going to be the, let's It's a Velcro strap right there already. Look in here. They have these little protective lens covers, little plastics. I'm going to go ahead and peel it. It says no. It says in there, if you want to zoom in on that, it says no sunlight on lenses. That's a satisfying sound. I'm going to do that a little bit closer to the mic so you can hear it. On lenses. Yes. That's easy enough. Should, I guess. So, got the Vive Deluxe audio strap. Audio strap. Oh. Packaging also beautiful. I love black and blue, especially that bright pop blue. All right, let's see. Okay, now let's do the. Boom. Alrighty, so as you can see, these are the built-in headphones. Don't need to deal with pesky Bluetooth, separate Bluetooth headphones or anything. It's right there. Pop them onto your ear, super comfy. This is going to replace this top part here. Oculus Quest stock. This is the HTC Vive audio thing. And it's going to basically go onto here like that. And so we're going to be replacing all the white straps with this strap completely. This is the pieces from Metaverse via Etsy. I love Etsy, by the way. Always loving to be able to support creative artists, and it's pretty neat how much it's expanded to include. Oh yeah, in case you didn't know, I love the color blue, so I had to get blue. Let's see. So all three of these items, the left and right side piece and the top hook ring, would all be together in one order. It's really thick plastic. You can already tell, like, super smoothed out. It's pretty legit. That is awesome. That is a strong build quality. You can just tell off the bat. Another extra business card. Boom. All right, so left for the corded side, and the other one said the non-corded. When you place the Oculus onto your face, you'll notice there's an area that divots in for your nose. So whenever you're installing items for left and right, this will be the left side. So just like where your left eyepiece would go and your right. So left and right. And actually, so what's really awesome is Metaverse Make, he actually included a really easy tutorial video on YouTube that he posted. So super handy. And it is 9 minutes long. So I'm going to play it and do this at the same time. Yes. Boom. Clicking this all into place really took a lot more finger strength than I thought it would. Definitely extra tired already, but let's try this thing on. Let's see. Ooh, that's really tight. Oh, okay. There's this knob back here. You just turn it to loosen it. Okay. Snug fit, pretty comfy.